Friends, we are back in our second part of 23rd December 2021. Our topic is troubled waters on Indian fishermen in Sri Lankan custody. So let's start. More efforts should be made to wean away fishermen from trawlers. The arrest of 68 Indian fishermen by the Sri Lankan authorities between December 18 and 20 and the impounding of 10 boats for poaching in territorial waters have again raised concerns about the fate of the men. It is a matter of comfort and relief that the Indian High Commission in Sri Lanka is working to secure their early release. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, in his communication to the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Monday, has underscored the need to get back 75 fishing boats to from Sri Lanka. Fishermen from Tamil Nadu getting arrested and released later has become a routine affair, but there have been cases of deaths. In January 2021, our fishermen from Ramanathapuram district lost their lives after their vessel collided with the Sri Lankan naval craft. There was a similar case in October in which a fisherman died. This is why the Parkway of facing dispute needs a resolution soon. The fact that many rounds of discussions at the levels of the fishermen and the governments of the two countries have not led to any tangible improvement in the situation should not deter the pursuit of sustained engagement to sort out a problem that involves humanitarian and livelihood issues. The bone of contention between the two countries has been the use of bottom trawlers by the Tamil Nadu fishermen, a practice opposed in Sri Lanka's northern province on the ground that trawling damages the marine ecosystem. This practice has been banned in Sri Lanka, and there have been allegations for stringent enforcement of the law. More than anything else, the fishermen of Tamil Nadu should not take into account the fact that their counterparts on the other side of the Park State are still struggling to pick up the threads of their lives after a brutal civil war. Given that an ambitious 1,600 crore rupees scheme of replacing in 3 years 2,000 bottom trawlers with deep sea fishing boats equipped with long lines and kill nets continues to be a disappointment. Both the center and Tamil Nadu governments need to take up fresh initiatives to get the fishermen on board. The main reason for failure is the component of the cost to be borne by the fishermen, accounting for 30% of the unit cost of 80 lakh rupee. The two governments take care of the remaining 70% apart from increasing the unit cost at least to 1.2 crore rupee, which will be at the same level as that of similar scheme under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana PMMSY. The government must increase their share of subsidy. This should also motivate the fishermen to adopt sea cage farming and sea ocean ranching, which were all covered under the PMMSY. Such an approach is essential as the fishermen find it hard to restrict themselves to India's territorial waters, given the limited marine wealth and area on the Indian side. But the priority now for New Delhi should be in securing the swift release of the 68 fishermen. Thank you. We will meet on 24 December. So please like this video and share this channel as much as possible. Thank you.